Well, good hot Sunday morning to y'all. It's Dan. Lord of mercy, I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a sure enough good weekend. But what I want to share with y'all today is, Lord, I got to get my fall beans in the ground. And when I say beans, I mean pole beans. So give me a second. We finna go over those 16-foot raised beds and we'll get to planting. Y'all, here we go. Before we get to planting, and I'm sorry about my shadow, it just wants to follow me everywhere. I need to amend that bed right there with this stuff right here. And this is the composted organic humus that Mark and Tina Bracy put me on over at Bumblebee Junction. Let's get to getting this stuff in the raised bed. Should go with about 6 bags, but all I have is 4, so we're just gonna rock and roll with that, and then later on I can go get a couple more bags and put it in this raised bed. Let's get this organic hummus in this raised bed so we can get the peas planted. If y'all wondering what it looks like, this is what it looks like. It's some really rich stuff. Smells good too. Let's keep getting these bags in. All right, there is our organic hummus. What you finna do next, Dan? Well, what I'm gonna do is, Lord, it's warm out here today. I'm just gonna work this organic hummus into this bed and incorporate it with the soil that's already there. So let's get to working on that. All right, there you go. We worked that organic hummus off into this soil, and I think it's looking really good. Let's go off up underneath this lean-to on this shop in the shade, and I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna be planting as far as the fall beans. All right, you and y'all, let me show you. The two that we gonna plant out this year for the fall beans are some Fortex pole beans that Mark and Miss T sent me from Bumblebee Junction. We're gonna go with those. And my all-time favorite, Kentucky Wonder pole beans. Okay, Dan, why are you going with these two beans together? Well, the Fortex, according to my research, it's pretty much a long French string bean is what it is. It is stringless, and the Fortex beans actually will grow to up to 11 inches. So you pick them in between 9 to 11 inches. The Kentucky Wonder pole beans, I've had real good luck with those, and they are a stringless bean as well. So I wanted to combine two green beans, two pole beans that are stringless. So when I go to cook them, I don't have to pull no strings. We just put them in a pot and let them go. So these are the two that we're gonna roll with. What I'm gonna do is I have 2 cups, and I have one of them labeled Kentucky. There we go. And just the other plain one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick these seeds in those cups, and all we're gonna do is we are gonna alternate the beans once I make my furrow. And I'll show you when I do that. Put a Kentucky Wonder pole bean, a Fortex bean, Kentucky Wonder, Fortex, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna alternate the beans in one long row and just let them go. So give me a second and we're gonna get back over yonder and get to planting. All right, y'all, here we go. Before we get to planting out these pole beans, let me show you what each bean looks like. The one on the left, the darker bean, is gonna be the Fortex bean. And the one on the right is the Kentucky Wonder pole bean. I have my furrow. Hope y'all can see it. All we're gonna do is get to planting these guys. So come on. Because we are gonna alternate these guys. We're gonna go with a Kentucky Wonder and a Fortex. So let me get these guys in the ground and I will bring y'all right back. All right, y'all, I'm done. Let me show you what it's looking like down there close so y'all can see what it looks like. So the only thing left to do is cover these guys up and give them a drink of water. And hopefully within 10 to 14 days, hopefully something will pop the ground. Them guys will germinate and get their grow on. As far as the spacing, I failed to tell you. Put these guys about 2 to 3 inches apart. Measuring, did I measure anything? No, just I'm guessing, 2 to 3 inches apart. This is the same way I done it last time with the pole beans. Worked out really good. But it's really going to be cool to see the Fortex beans and the Kentucky Wonder Poles growing together. It's going to be one short green bean and one long green bean, or pole bean, if you will. I'm going to get these guys covered up and watered in, and I'll be right back with you. All right, y'all, I think we're about done now. Got them guys watered in real good. Now all we got to do is just play a little waiting game on hopefully they will germinate in 10 to 14 days. What I'm going to tell you is if these guys pop the ground, once they get tall enough, I will mulch this bed in with some easy straw just to preserve some of that moisture in the bed. There you have it, y'all. Getting these fall beans in the ground, so hopefully we could have a sure enough decent harvest come fall time, because old Dan loves some dang pole beans now. Again, I hope everybody's having a good, safe weekend, and hopefully you're staying cool, because it's showing up hot over here. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Six channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give me a look, because y'all know I'm always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Referee is always showing up, gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody, especially when you're trying to get some fall pole beans in the ground. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.